becomes correct, you could be sitting on a volcano, you will be happy. If the way you see your Lord becomes correct, your worries will disappear. I watched Hurricane Katrina that hit America many years ago, and it destroyed a city. There was a little girl, everyone is panicking, this little girl is smiling, walking around smiling. So the camera stopped on her. Without a worry in the world, the camera stopped on her. Sweetheart, are you scared? No. Why aren't you scared? So she said, my daddy's here. Daddy's here. And Dad was a big giant. So a little girl's heart feels comfort because she's got the support of a bigger person. Imagine what your heart would feel if you knew Allah Rabbul Izzah and knew that Allah's support is with you.